Musulti og dili siya di siya kabalo musulti og kabalo siya. Kabalo siya kanang isda, pasayan. But not the like you if you really true gihigugmat ka o gimingaw nako nimo are important, di ba? Yes, correct. Correct. Mukaon ko Kuya Has in front of the live, is that okay? Yeah, I will put this in my soup. I break this. Pero I already have a heartburn patay. And then I will have a brown rice. Gihigugmati ka o gimingaw nako nimo. My husband would say like gihigugma ko ikaw. And the other different kind of, I don't know the paper this year. Oh really? You didn't grow? I see. Now I'm cooking pizza for my husband and my son. But 15 minutes, right? 17. Do you eat pizza? Gihigugma ko ikaw, that is my wife, Wika Mandaya. Matigikan sa Davao. Oh, Mati. Wow, yeah, that's good. You're so awesome. You know everything. Oo. Nag-hardcore naman ko. Pag ito kakaon. Is your wife still eating a rice? Is your wife still eat rice? I will turn off the fan because it's like official. Native niya gikan Mandaya. Oh, tribe. Okay, native. So it sounded like they have like different clothes, right? Is that right? I go get my glasses because it's embarrassing. I thought, you know, when I read native siya gikan Mandaya tribe. Okay. So I think they have like a culture dress, right? If I'm right. Oo, pula ng damit. Pula? Lahat pula? Really? That's very interesting. Kuya Joey Official, oo, pula ng damit. Puro pula. Mga unta, kuya. Ikaw lang ka-istorya na ko dire, kuya. Og dilaw og itim. Pero the style of their clothes is totally different, right? Though they wear like, so when she go to work, does she wear like her culture dress? I'm just curious. Thank you guys for watching me. I'm gonna be eating. I'm eating vegetables here. My food. I'm eating vegetables. I like vegetables more than meat. Yeah. But this is Filipino. How Filipino eat with spoon. Wait. I am thankful she don't color og itom ang ngipon sa paggamit. Ha? Kuluran day ang ngipon? Ganong kuluran ang ngipon? Og itom? The elder women color their